Our tuna salad is quick, simple, and delicious. You can even substitute the tuna for a flaked cooked salmon or even mashed chickpeas. If you like this recipe, subscribe. Now let's do it. Place your tuna in a bowl and break it up with a fork. We buy canned Albacore tuna that's been caught with hand-operated pole and lines. For our tips on buying tuna or tuna alternatives, check Inspired Taste. Now add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. The salad already tastes great like this, but we like to add a little crunch, so chop up a stick of celery, one scallion or some onion, and a couple of small dill pickles. Add everything to the tuna, and then, if you are up to it, add a tablespoon of pickle juice. Season with fresh ground black pepper, and then use the fork to mix everything together. Now serve however you like. Today, I'm turning it into a tuna sandwich, but this is just as good served in a wrap, on top of salads, or with crackers. As always, the full recipe with lots of tips are on Inspired Taste. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.